In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Webflow project to your CRM using integrations, a secure form token, and custom header script placement. We'll go through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can get your site ready to send real-time form data where it needs to go. This process is straightforward, but it helps to move carefully so everything is connected correctly the first time. To begin, open your target Webflow project dashboard layout editor in Google Chrome. Using Chrome can help ensure the interface behaves as expected, especially when you're moving between settings, panels, app screens, and publish site previews. Once you're inside the correct project, take a moment to confirm that you're working in the right site before making any changes. That small check can save time later. Next, go to Project Settings, then open the Integration section. In this area, look for the Custom Webhooks field block. This is where Webflow allows you to connect external systems that need to receive information from your site. If you're using forms or tracking events, this section plays an important role in passing that data along. Make sure you're in the correct field and not in a different integration area, since Webflow includes several settings that can look similar at a glance. After that, switch over to your HubSpot app settings interface and generate a secure form connection token. This token acts like a protected bridge between your Webflow site and your CRM, allowing form-related data to be recognized and accepted properly. When you create it, handle it carefully and keep it private. It should be treated as sensitive configuration information and only placed where it's required for the setup. Once the token is ready, return to Webflow and paste the tracking script tags into the custom header injection space of your site. This step is important because the header injection area loads the tracking code across your site, helping establish the connection needed for form activity and data flow. When pasting the script, be careful not to change the formatting, remove any characters, or add extra spaces inside the code. Even small edits can prevent the script from working correctly. Finally, publish your Webflow site. Publishing applies the changes you've made and launches the real-time data flow connection into your CRM. After publishing, it's a good idea to test the setup by submitting a form on the live site and confirming that the data is arriving as expected. If everything is configured properly, your integration should now be active and ready to support your workflow.